Hey there, YouTube and world. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. Happy Thanksgiving 2019. And my wife got herself a Thanksgiving gift to herself. She left it with me. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. Yep. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is as big as an iPhone gets, the latest iPhone. So let's do an unboxing, a quick unboxing. Hola. Well, this thing was actually unboxed in the AT&T showroom. I'm sorry, T-Mobile showroom. This is a T-Mobile line, and it was already set up, so I couldn't actually open the plastic and all and show you guys. So my wife just got it from the T-Mobile showroom. This is the, I don't know what this color is called, but it looks green to me. It's a 64 GB, and she got a deal in T-Mobile. And yeah, this is the three camera iPhone 11, Apple in California. I don't want to go into the details, like, you guys must have oh Jesus, why is this wired? Oh hell no, man. Who uses wired headphones in 2019? What the hell, Apple? What the hell, man? It costs $10 to for wireless earbuds nowadays. If you're taking $1,000 or $1,200 for a phone, which is like $1,400 or $1,500 in the market without discount, you need to give wireless headphones, man. What the hell? What the hell, Apple? Lightning port, charger. So you guys must have seen thousands and thousands and thousands, if not millions of unboxing videos on YouTube. Everybody unboxed the same product. And if I want to talk about this product, it's going to get really boring. And I don't want to get boring. The computer channel does not want to get boring. But what the hell, man? What the hell? Okay, whatever. So this is the new iPhone 11 just launched, and my wife's been waiting for a discount, so she got a discount, and here it is. She needs to log into her iPhone account, the iCloud account, and that's it. And yeah, she couldn't log into the account, so I need to log in for her. All right. Stay cool, everybody, and stay fantastic. Three camera lenses. Oh yeah.